Vefa teacher.
Kaito's feelings. Kaito wakes up sleepy. He says, 5 more minutes. But his cat jumps on his head. Now Kaito is mad. At school, Kaito sees a new girl. She smiles. Kaito feels shy and hides behind his bag. In science class, a frog jumps out of the box. Kaito screams, "Ah!" He feels embarrassed. Later, he runs in a race. He feels confident. "Yes!" he shouts. But oh no, he trips and falls in the mud. Now he is disappointed. In math, the teacher asks a hard question. Kaito feels confused and says, "What?" At home, he breaks his mom's cup. He feels guilty and says, "Sorry." Kaito is tired, but he laughs and says, "Today is super silly."
Vefa teacher.